Pull it.
Hey, how you guys doing? So I'm over here in my temporary digs right now. I'm waiting for my flight to Thailand. I'm on the longest layover ever. I fly out in about 15 days or so. And right now I'm going through a bunch of old video footage I found from, say, all the way back to 1993. My trip to New Zealand and my skate park tour a little bit that I did over there with my friend Dave Crabb. So we'll have some skateboarding from New Zealand. I've got my ramp when I had my mini ramp before the park was built. And this right here is the Wheeler Pipe in Central Washington. I took the boys to that. I found that via the internet. And I brought our boys over there. So we're gonna have some interesting stuff. Hang tight. I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Like and subscribe. Do me a big favor. Make that alligator dance. Let's get my videos out there. And hang tight, because I'm about to go on my whirlwind tour, so you never know what's going to happen.
Another free cement park. Keyhole. Yeah! Rental rock. Make it? Yes. East Coast Bay, just down the hill from Dave's house. This is the Browns Bay concrete ramp structure. Mini ramp, 8-foot half pipe with bank walls on either side. Little lip slide area right there. Rebate. Right there. And shoot. Yeah. Pull it. Look, that's one happy skater. Well, we're in a town called Hamilton. This is Melville Park. Over in Horizon. Monstrosity. Big vert ramp. Little bowl over there. We're gonna go skate. We're hitting some of the spots along the way. As long as Dave's car's hood doesn't fucking pop up, giving us nothing but trouble. We've got his hood tied down with string. So we'll see you on the ramp. Well, here's the ramp. Good from far, but far from good. The thing is beat to death. It's well built, but not well maintained. Look at all the holes. I don't think I'll be dropping into this puppy. But I am skating that bowl back there. We'll see you over there. Another little bank over there. Little freestyle area. Bank. Little spillway. Into a huge bowl. Here we are, I'm standing in the middle of a war memorial park. Something Dave didn't tell me about, nor Jason, I don't think they knew about it, was the stairway to a mini ramp. A very well built mini ramp. I stumbled across it last night while we went to Woolworths. I saw it across the street and said, oh my God, gee wow willikers golly gee. I got a skate ramp all for me. Came and took a couple sessions, couple runs. I'm gonna have a little ramp ride right now and then going off to play. I'm in Rotorua, land of sticky, sulfuric, bubbling pools of stink fart shit. Here we go, we're at Birkenhead skate park, all free. Got a big vert ramp.
Very good.
Little street course. Got 2 minis over there, plus another third mini behind the fence. Little slider curb. Bunch of rollerbladers around here, young kids. And we've called a few boys and we're gonna have a skate session.
watching. This is not Matt Splat, and I just want to thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to smash that like button, blah, 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 blah.
Smash it.